Euro USD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about euro against dollar. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share. All of that is free. Subscribe and like, and below the video you'll find a link which says Swing Like a Pro. So click on that link, then come to the speech right here where you can check out these recent setups and trades we have taken, and you can join this program if you want to enter and exit with me. And then you can book consultation. If you want to speak to me one-to-one, you can book consultation, and you can always join my free Telegram. So let's get back to the chart, starting the top-down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly we are above the EMA, as you can see. So price is above the EMA. Daily is again we are above the EMA. 4-hour we are above the EMA, so that's fine. We are in the strong uptrend. Look for longs after the pullback in 4-hour. Okay, so go long in Euro USD after the pullback in 4-hour because price is in the uptrend in all time frames. Now analysis is one thing and the precise entry and exit is a different thing. So if you want to precisely enter and exit with me, then join this program. Subscribe, like and share it all, then take care.